girl Blendedbydee, and I am back with another video. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming to view my channel. I hope you enjoy it. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. So this video is going to be a product try-on haul / review for. It's going to be for ZEELOOL glasses. If I can get the box right. Glasses, I absolutely love them. First of all, so I see them all over social media and I've been wanting to order some myself. So as soon as I seen them reach out to me, I was like, absolutely yes, count me in, send me all the frames, period. Because oh my god, like the ones I see, they're so trendy, they're so cute, and I've been dying to get me some frames for the summertime. So yes, so we're just gonna jump right into this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below. I will link everything down below, so don't fret. And yeah, let's jump into this video. Okay, so y'all know I already do all of my unboxing on camera, so I went ahead and just tore off the opening now, and this is what the inside of the package looks like. So I ended up getting 5 pairs, which I'm super stoked about. So yeah, let's get started. So my first one, I'm just gonna pick a random pair. Let's pick this one in the corner. So this is the glasses packaging that it comes in. So it says ZEELOOL, and then buy glasses at ZEELOOL. Super cute. Ooh. So these are going to be the first pair. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. These are going to be the first pair of frames. They're purple. I absolutely love this. The color, the size, the shape with some cheetah print. Let's go ahead and try them on. Ooh, I absolutely love these. What y'all think? I love these. First of all, I love the color against my skin. Like, and the purple is just screaming like bad bitch, period. Like, definitely giving bad bitch vibes. Like, super cute, super sleek, good for a brunch, night out even. Like, just depends on where you're going. Super cute. I love these. Okay, let me try to get a close up. The second pair that we're opening. Ooh, so these are some clear frames. Absolutely love these. So they have like some type of crystal on the side. Oh my god, aren't these to die for? Look at these freaking frames. First of all, I'm loving the crystal, like, you know, around the frame. It's just so pretty. Like, first of all, these are great everyday glasses too, because they're not too much, but they're also subtle at the same time. Like, I love these. They look so good. Like, oh my goodness. Definitely see me wearing these like daily basis with my bob, like giving very much I got money. Okay, ZEELOOL, I'm loving them. I'm loving the frames. Send me all the frames. Send them all to me. All right, y'all, we're gonna jump into the next pair. Okay, so now we are trying the third pair. Ooh, first of all, I am loving all of the cheetah prints. Go ahead and open these. First of all, this is super, super cute. I love the big frames for one. I love the shape and color of these. This is the side, giving very much cheetah that I love. Let's try them on here. Oh my god. Look at these frames, y'all. Like, first of all, let's give it up to these frames. Okay, let me tell y'all. So I used to work in an eyeglass place, right? And what would determine for me and my opinion on what glasses look good or not, for one, is if you can see your eyebrows. So for one, if you have some nice eyebrows and you didn't just did your eyebrows and your makeup, you don't want to be trying to hide your eyebrows. I don't. So I love a big frame that does not cover my eyebrows, and these frames are freaking perfect. Like, yeah, like look at these. These are so freaking cute. Okay, let me get a close up. These are so freaking nice, y'all. Like, I absolutely love these glasses, ZEELOOL, for real. These are absolutely like, oh my gosh, like just peep the detail. Next pair. All right, and this is our fourth pair. Ooh, look at these. Gotta have a good black pair, for sure. I absolutely love these frames for one. Like, look at them. Super big. Let's try them on. ZEELOOL, how y'all know I like big frames? I love these big frames. Oh my goodness. Now this is giving rich bitch for real. I'm sorry. This is giving rich bitch. This is giving a little Edna though with the bob. But I mean, it's giving rich bitch Edna. Okay? That's what you call me, rich Edna. Okay? I like that. I love that. Look at these freaking frames. I love these, so I don't care. I can say these are sliding on me just a little bit. Like my nose, if you have a smaller nose, of course the big frames usually have like a big nose pieces. So these are sliding down on me. The other ones did not at all. But these specific ones are just a smidge, not too much though. But these are super cute. I absolutely love these freaking frames. Oh my God, I'm gonna be styling and profiling all summer. Like, don't talk to me. Last pair. Last but not least, we got our final freaking pair. And then I also wanna let y'all know, this also came with, ZEELOOL wipes for your glasses, which is very handy. It also came with a $7 off coupon. Definitely will need for my next order. Okay. And I guess just your receipt. But yeah. Ooh, I freaking love these. For one, they're green. Like, can y'all see the green? For one, they're green. I am loving the gold enhancements on them for one. Let's try them on. Oh my God. Okay, wait. I think these are my favorite. Y'all. Think these are giving favorite. Like, look at these frames. Like, these are my favorite out of the whole bunch. Well, let me see. Either these or those other cheetah print ones. I'm stuck in between those two. I'm torn between those two. I really love these though. Like, these freaking frames. Oh my goodness, especially with these contacts. Go watch my last video for these contacts. Just for curious, shop with them, use my code. But yeah, I freaking love these freaking frames. All right, ladies, and that concludes this video try on haul. I absolutely loved all these glasses. ZEELOOL, please send me all of them, okay? Absolutely love these. Thank everybody so much for watching and continuing to follow my channel and support. I appreciate it all so much. We're almost at 6K, then we're gonna be at 10K, and I'm super excited. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the channel, and I will see you ladies in my next video.